Welcome to day 25, and today we are going to discuss very important topic, and that is mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness is known since many years, since the time of Buddha, and it is being aware of present moment. How you can be aware of present moment? You can focus either on the external things or internal things. Means what? Externally, I am aware of this room, the air in this room, whatever I see from the window, and whatever I can feel about the outside of me. Being aware of that in this moment is an external awareness. There is also something called as internal awareness. Means what? I am aware of all the external world through my senses, and they are called five senses. That is, I can feel the air through my nose. I can smell something through my nose. That is sense of smell. I can taste something by my tongue. So that is sense of touch. I can see through my eyes. I can hear through my ears, and I can touch with my fingers. So these five senses are always there with me, through which I can feel the external world. When I am aware of all these sensations in the present moment, it is called five senses mindfulness. And we can do it everywhere, all the time. The best time to do it is while you are eating, because when you are eating, you can be mindful of all the five senses: touch, smell, taste, vision, and hearing. And it is very good exercise. You can be mindful when you are doing anything throughout the day. You can be mindful of walking. When you walk, how you take each step. At that time you can be mindful. Then you can be mindful while eating or while drinking tea. In Japan, there is a meditation of drinking tea, and they teach you how to drink tea mindfully with all your five senses on. Even you can eat an apple with mindfulness, with all the five senses on. So this is all about mindfulness, and it's very good. It brings you to the present moment. And present moment is really great, because whatever is happening with you throughout your life is just happening in this moment. And past and future are just illusions. Now we will come to meditation. There is a lot of confusion regarding to mindfulness and meditation. Meditation just means observation. So you can observe your breathing, which is coming in and going out. This is called Anapana meditation or Anapanasati. Just be aware of the incoming breath and outgoing breath. Then you can be aware of the sensations in your body. This is taught in Vipassana. They teach us how to be equanimous with all the sensations in our body, and how to be detached with the sensations in the body. And the last and most important thing is, you can be aware of your mind. What thoughts are coming in the mind at present? What feelings are there in our mind at present? And you should be equanimous, detached with all those thoughts and all those feelings. Generally, we get carried away with the thoughts. Generally, we get carried away with the feelings, and we don't remain present. We don't remain detached. We don't remain equanimous. We like some thoughts, we don't like some thoughts. We like few feelings, we don't like other feelings. So that is not equanimity. Equanimity means whatever is the thought, whatever is the feeling, you remain calm, you remain detached, you remain equanimous. It takes lots of practice. it takes lots of practice. Generally, our intention or generally we do what? We get elated by good feelings, we get depressed by bad feelings, and that's what happens normally. It's natural. Don't get discouraged by it. It will slowly progress to equanimity. So all this is about mindfulness and meditation, and more you practice, more benefits you get. More you practice, more expert you become in it. And every religion has somewhere somehow prescribed mindfulness and meditation. It is part of each and every religion. Even it's part of all the training programs. So you can learn it anywhere, but practice one technique only and go deep inside, because then only you can catch hold of your patterns, the patterns in your mind, and you can heal yourself, and you can concentrate on eliminating something from your mind and adding something to your mind. So concentrate only on one thing, practice only one type, and go deep inside. So let us see. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.